Welcome to GSL GMC 1720 Trail Southwest in Calgary, Alberta. Today we're looking at the brand new 2020 GMC Terrain Denali. This vehicle is powered by the 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, made it up to a 9-speed automatic transmission, and is all-wheel drive. Once inside the interior of the Denali Terrain, we do have the power windows, power mirrors, we have power trunk as well. Right down here we have our automatic headlights and fog light button. Black leather wrapped heated steering wheel with forward collision warning and cruise control on there. We got the Denali badging right in the middle there. Only 16 kilometers on the vehicle, brand new. Push button start. We have the 8-inch touchscreen for your nav, audio, and climate controls, as well as your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Push button for your drivetrain. We got the climate controls in the middle there. USB ports, parking sensors, heated and ventilated seats, and your 4x4 management system there. The vehicle does have trailer tow mode as well. You can pull a small utility trailer. We got the black leather with the white stitching and wood trim pieces. We have the beautiful Denali leather heated and ventilated seats. Take a look at the exterior of the Denali Terrain. We have the 19-inch wheel and tire package with the Hankook all-season tires on there. We do have the chrome on the vehicle as it is a Denali. The door guards on the bottom, rear view mirror caps, and the remote handles. We do have keyless entry, remote start, LED headlights and LED tail lamps, color matched rear and front bumpers, parking sensors front and rear, dual chrome exhaust tips, as well as we do have that trailer tow hitch as mentioned before. Jumping back into the interior, we do have the leather 60/40 split. Both end seats are heated and both end seats are car seat ready. Beautiful black leather as well. We got the awesome moon and sunroof opening up the cab of the vehicle up top, letting in all that natural light. Quick fold down easy seats, giving you access to your enormous trunk. We do have the carpeted floor mats back there as well. Lots and lots of room. Seats do fold up just nice right and back there. Tons of room back here as well. Have the USB ports and the heated seat options. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk around video. This beautiful brand new 2020 GMC Terrain Denali. If this is your next SUV, come down here and see us here at GSL GM City 1720 Trail Southwest, or shop online at gslgmcity.com.